Your Lordship, the petitioner father is
Yeah, just call him.
maybe kindly passed over, Your Lordship. That
Can't pass it over today.
Father,
What happened otherwise? Just
the
tell us.
child referred by the committee, CWC,
No, he doesn't want to. Wait.
he's placed in a,
the petitioner father, Your Lordship.
No, what do you intend to do it? Now tell us one thing. Now the child is secured.
Yes, Your Lordship. The child is found, Your Lordship.
Then
Now the concern, Your Lordship, the parents, they need the custody of the child, Your Lordship. Right now,
it is now a different
yes,
action.
because the Child Welfare Committee has taken cognizance and they will proceed according to the procedure laid down
So
under the
now
JJ
the
Act.
jurisdiction, you see, you filed a petition that the boy is not traceable. That's
Yes.
right.
yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Now boys, whereabouts of the boys have been traced out.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
They have an issue, the CWC.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, one humble submission.
And there is a process laid down under for
Yes,
CWC
yes,
will
yes.
take action.
Yes.
Your Lordship, highlighting one concern, Your Lordship, in point number 12 of the affidavit filed by the Learned Counsel.
Yes.
Your Lordship, therein it's mentioned the boy has refused to go with the parents. But the instructions what we get is the boy is actually willing to go with the parents, and
That will be looked into by CWC.
yes,
Now, do you give an opportunity to the parents also to
Yes.
interact with the child?
Yes, yes, yes. The first
Everything will
priority
be
is
sorted
that.
out.
The first priority is to hand over the child to the custodian,
That's it.
natural guardian or the parents.
But has the interaction taken
Yes.
place? No, has the interaction taken place with the parents of the child?
but we are not given adequate access, Your Lordship.
What do you mean by adequate access?
Your Lordship, the boy is one fact I would like to point out, Your Lordship.
You filed a petition that boy is missing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, boy has been traced out.
Yes, yes, yes.
Proceedings have been initiated by the CWC.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then they will work it out. But tell us one thing, Mr. Bilyappa, now, what is the follow-up action now you will take?
Now, this writ petition will become infectious. Because he is not detained by anybody illegally. So therefore, there is no detention by anybody. Even otherwise, it was a case of missing and it was not a case of illegal detention.
Your Lordship, one submission, Your Lordship.
Now in a child welfare unit, which is enlisted by the CWC and recognized by the CWC. Lordship, one submission, Your Lordship. The parent petition is present here, Your Lordship. They are not given adequate access to interact with the child. And one fact I would humbly bring before the Lordship. As soon as the boy was traced, Your Lordship, the first thing what he did was he called his mother, Your Lordship. In such a case, as per point number 12, pointing out that he is refusing to go with the parents.
Why do they want to keep the child? Tell us one thing.
So the petitioner parents are also going through trauma.
We'll defer this matter.
Yes.
Let's see what is the progress made at the CWC level. We'll have it next week.
Yes.
Just update us. See, he wants interaction. I don't think they should
Tomorrow
be.
we'll arrange a-
Just give a father. Let the parents should have an interaction. Let him they interact. Possibly they can prevail upon the child,
Yes.
or the child can prevail upon the parents. Either way.
And just one concern, Your Lordship, again, provided the parents also wanted to interact. The second PUC exams are still going on, Your Lordship. So some exams are still pending. So we are also trying to make out some efforts if he is willing to.
First, let this be worked out. Forget the exam. This be worked out.
Yes,
Okay?
yes, Your Lordship.
Let the parents.
The background is he was traumatized due to exams by the parents. So therefore he left.
Don't expect that don't put that kind of a pressure on the child.
No, that
Leave
is,
the child.
that is untrue, Your Lordship.
Very well. That's what he says. Very well.
Yes.
Just say that affidavit has, status report has been filed in the court, has been filed by the respondent, the same has been perused, comma, re-notify next week. We'll re-notify next week.
Yes,
Get your instructions.
yes.
Can you file a memo, Your Lordship?
For what?
Seek
For what?
that we are willing to take the custody. Yes.
Let the proceedings be over. We are keeping ourselves before us.
Yes, yeah.
Okay? We will see it next time.
We will organize a meeting tomorrow. Sir.
Pardon?
We will organize a meeting between the.
Yeah, meeting. Let them have their meeting.
Yes, yes.
Let them, both of them interact.
Your Lordship, that may be kindly ensured, Your Lordship, the
Yes, yes.
regular
Certainly we will do.
access,
What do you want?
that may be kindly ensured, Your Lordship, access to interact with the child, Your Lordship.
The SPP has given the submission.
Yes.
We take that submission.
Yes.
If nothing transpires, inform us on the next date.
Yes.
He himself is saying that will be allowed. The interaction will be allowed. Let the parents be, Mr. Niliyappa.
Yes,
interact.
certainly.
Yes.
In 3